everyone, my name is Naina and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please do consider subscribing if you enjoy beauty, fashion, lifestyle and travel videos. So as a lot of you online shoppers may already know, the Myntra end of recent sale happened just a couple of weeks ago, and even though I'm not a frequent Myntra shopper, the insane prices in that sale made me do some serious shopping. This time I'm going to be doing a try on haul to show you guys how these products fit me on, or how they look on me, or it might even give you an inspiration of a style that you want to try out. I'm not much of a brand shopper. I'm somebody who likes getting really great deals even if it's not a very famous brand. I love shopping within a budget and to get more out of that budget. So if you're more of a street shopper like me, you'll definitely enjoy these outfits, especially when you hear the prices for them. So let me not bore you anymore. Let's jump right into the try on haul. So the first product I have is this dress from the brand called Dressbury, and it's a very simple cotton A-line dress. It has a tie detail over here. You can use this tie on the front side or the back side of your dress and it will give you a completely different look. This is very comfortable and very airy. This is a sleeveless dress with a round neck on the front and a V-neck on the back. The only negative I have is that it has a couple of thread coming out from the tie, but for the price that I got it for, which was around 320 rupees, I don't mind at all. So the next one I got is a solid orangish yellow crop top. It's got a V-neck on the front and it's got some hem details at the bottom, and also it's got some beautiful bell sleeve, flowy bell sleeves till your elbows, and also it's got this push button details in the back which adds to the style basically. I am obsessed with the color yellow. It looks so pretty. I love the style and I love the simplicity. I got this for just rupees 253. So the next product is of again another solid color, a deep blue color, but this time it's an off shoulder with the sleeves attached separately to it. So I've been seeing this style being worn by so many YouTubers and I've been eyeing this for such a long time, and when I finally saw this for the sale for just rupees 240, I had no second thoughts because I knew I had to get this immediately. I know it's very plain, very simple, but it gives you a very chic brunch date kind of a look, and I love how it looks on me. So this is one of my favorites and I'm very excited to finally get hold of one of these. So yes. So the next one I have is a solid pink A-lined top. So as you all might have guessed by now, I am so into solid colors right now. I can use those as staple products which can be used for various styles. You can have so many different looks with one single product. This is a beautiful onion pink top. It's long top and it's got these layered bell sleeves starting from like 3/4 of the sleeve, and it's got a very simple plain round neck in the front. Basically it's a very simple, very plain top, but with these bell sleeves it gives this top a very, old school retro kind of a look. So if you're into like old classic looks, you might actually like this like me. So the next one I have is a green and grey slim fit checked casual shirt from Roadster. So this is small size and it's perfect fit for me, and the slim fit side of it really does enhance my shape as well. So I have very few casual shirts and I have no check shirts at all, so I wanted to have one for my collections. So if you're into casual shirts that you can wear on an everyday basis to office or to college, this is a really great one. It's very soft and very comfortable. This one is a good deal. So the next one I have is a blue highly distressed mid-rise stretchable jeans. So I never got one that I really loved till now. So this is not from any known brands and it has enough of distress as I was looking for. So And the best thing is I got it for under 500 rupees, which is around 495 I think. A really nice and comfortable distressed jeans for as low as that. I think this was definitely worth the wait. I'm really sorry you all, because it's again a solid color. So if any of you are obsessed currently with solid colored tops or dresses or anything solid colored, please do comment below and let me know that I'm not alone in this. Again, another solid colored top, and this time it's this beautiful mint green off-shoulder top. So this is because I love pastel colors. So, and it has a tied up shoulder area, and then it's got this sleeves like this, which is bunched up in the middle to give it like a Victorian look to it. Only thing is you definitely have to tie it tightly on the front, because otherwise it can go a little loose when you sit forward. So definitely tie it up so that it doesn't go loose. But nonetheless, I still love this top for this pastel color and also for the small details in it, because it is definitely a yes for me. So the next one is a kurta. It's one of my most comfortable wear, and it is this solid pink plain cotton kurta. So it's got this mandarin collar with a split v-neck, and it goes on with a button detail till the waist, and it's got 3/4 sleeves with a roll-up feature. It's such a comfortable wear. It feels very soft on your body, and it gives a very elegant and quite a professional look even. And it also has a pocket on the right side. So if any of you are looking for like quite cheap kurtas, you should definitely check this out. So next I have one of the most plain and simple products that I've got. It's this plain solid navy blue top with cold shoulder. This is with very loose sleeves, so it gives a very casual look, and it's a very simple product which can be used to enhance like a really great look. It's very pretty, and I love the color also. And for rupees 167, it's a steal. So the next one is a dress. So this one is a Jaipuri beige color blocked fit and flare dress. So it's got like a solid color till the waist here, and with some couple of button details in the waist area, and then it has a couple of pleats in the front. For the short me, this dress does come to my knees. I still like this dress. I thought it looks very simple and pretty in itself, so definitely a great buy. So the next one is another dress, which is a blue and red color blocked sheath dress, and it's got this line detailing here too. The only problem is that because I am quite short, this dress goes way below my knee, but it's got solid inner lining, and it's got this zip on the side, so it has this premium feel to it. So I'm gonna keep this with me. So the next one is not a solid color. I know you've been bored by those already, but next one is a burgundy striped top, and this one has like huge armpit holes with like tied up detail at the very end of it. I thought this would look really great for like a workout outfit, maybe with a tube top under it and some tights. I definitely get like a workout vibe from it, so when I do start working out, I definitely can picture myself in this. So that's why I decided to get this one. So the next product is the final clothing product that I got, and this has been in my to buy list for so long. A plain white ankle length pants. I wanted to wear this under kurtis and all, because it's again another solid color which can be worn with so many different colors, and it feels so soft on your skin. It has an elastic waist also with a tie-up in case it is still loose for you. It is quite translucent. I don't think it would be ideal to wear with like shorter tops, so it's always better that you wear it with some kind of a kurti or a longer top. Definitely get this because it's a very pretty product. So now we're done with our clothing products, so let's go on to our accessories and footwear. So the first accessories I got were these earrings. These are some antique looking spiked earrings. this looks way more than 500 rupees. It's also quite heavy, so that's one reason I won't be wearing it very frequently, and it will look really good with any sort of a party wear. It's got this forest green and brown shades to it. It looks so much more expensive than what I got it for, and it's quite heavy and it looks really classy. So definite great deal. So the next accessories is another set of earrings, and this time it's this very pretty, inevitably bold looking studs here that I've got. It's got this oxidized silver look, and because of that it looks quite classy. I did not get it for too cheap, but for its look and its build, I thought it was worth it. I love how detailed the design looks, and it does not look cheap at all. For this quality and for the build, it's quite worth it. So now let's go to footwear, and the one I'm going to show you is from Shoetopia, and this one is a pastel pink colored open-toed flats with like such pretty studs. So this embellishment on top of it here makes it become like a style statement in itself. The finish is not great, I have to admit that. I love this embellishment here, and it sort of looks like that kind of a style statement, so I love it. So the final footwear I have is another open toe flats, and this one is from Roadster. It's got this metallic pink shade with some detailing over here, but it doesn't have any strap on the back, so it's a plain open toe flats. This is another favorite of mine, and I'm probably going to use this quite frequently from now on because it's very comfortable to wear. My only worry is how long it's going to last, so I'm just hoping that it lasts for at least a while. So anyway, I love this metallic pink color, and it looks quite classy, so yeah, I probably will be wearing it quite often. So that's it for this haul, and most of the products I got were beyond my expectation. I'm definitely happy with the overall purchases, and I'm thrilled especially at the prices I got them for. So if you did enjoy all the products that I showed you, please do consider hitting that like button and also subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already. So thank you so much for watching again. So I'll see you next time with another video. So till then, bye bye.